Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2025 Hot Wheels Mainline International L case. So this case comes over from Jcar Diecast. As always, I always tell Jcar, or I placed an order for the damaged or double taped boxes. This one you can see is not your standard case from Jcar. It is bent on the side, and that was intentional. I did order this case that way from Jcar. With that aside, let's open this up and see what's inside the L case. All right. Excited for this mix. This is the last of 3 brand new Ferraris for 2025, debuting in 3 consecutive cases. So we have the J case, the L case, or sorry, the J case, the K case, and the L case. So, all right, first 3 out of the mix. We have the Dune It Up Track Aces series, the Honda Civic Custom HW Reverse Rake, and the 70 Plymouth Superbird HW Art Cars. All cars that we've seen already in the K case. Feels like I just did the K case, right? It's like a week or 2 ago. All right, next 3 out of the case. We have the Subaru BRZ in the J Import series. And if you noticed, there's some new language on the cards. And I'm not sure, I think even maybe the US cases might not have it. But at least in terms of the international cases, they have this new regulation. I think it is all, if I'm not mistaken, it's all French-Canadian. So it was a requirement from the Canadian government that French-Canadian needs to be on the cards. So dual language. There you go. Subaru BRZ, that is new to the case. Ravager ST, Mesomania, and the Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT from the Mustang 60th. Both of these were in K case. So only one new one for the mix so far. Let's keep digging here. We got the recolor of the custom Kia EV6 HW EV series. Now in like a metal flake aqua. The Ferrari F40 Competizione. So we got another one of those. That debuted in the K case. And the Street Wiener with jalapenos on top. There you go. Both of those were K case. All right, next 3 out of the case. We have the Aerodynamic X-Racer series. That looks new. The 90 Honda Civic EF, we saw that in the K case. And new to this case is the 2013 SRT Viper. So in white now. So interesting enough, we saw the 96 the new model for 2025, the 1996 Dodge Viper GTS appear just a couple cases ago in blue with white stripes. And that was considered the then. Now we have the quote-unquote now, despite it being, 12 years ago now, the 2013 SRT Viper in white with blue stripes. So not sure if we'll see different or recolors of the other in these Vipers, but what is interesting to note is that then and now we have reversed paint versus striping on these. So that is interesting. I'm not sure if I've seen a then and now pair like that before. All right, next 3 out of the case are the Crescendo X-Racer series. We've seen that before. The Monster Dairy Delivery in the HW Design By series. The Reelman's Dairy Delivery Company, named after, obviously, Phil Reelman. And the Land Rover Defender 90 in that beige that we saw in the K case. Next 3 out of the case. The 66 Buick Rivera HW Modified series. In black. That looks awesome in all black. Black seats. Yeah, that looks great. Ford Mustang Dark Horse gets a new Tampo scheme. Look at that. Hot Wheels Racing. Interesting. That is new to the case. And then the RD06, quote unquote, the Watermelon RD06 HW Design By series. All right, next 3 out of the case. Okay, interesting. So we have the custom Kia EV6. We had one of those in this case already. The Dodge Coronet Super B. Had that in the K case. And the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Interesting, because this is technically a J case car, and now we're getting it not one but two cases later. So I think collectors will be happy if that's the case. What's going on here is that we're seeing Ferraris over the course of three cases. Hopefully it wasn't inserted for something else in my case though. But regardless, there it is. Good for anybody that is still looking for that one. All right, the King Cuda, new to the case, Muscle Mania series, now in green. Great version of the King Cuda. Casting I actually collect. Excited to have that one. The Drift Ender, recolored in like a light blue now. Very nice. And the Lil Roar. New model in the last case, Safari mode. All right. Next three out of the case. We get another one of those Honda Civic Customs. HW Reverse Rake Series. The Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Another one of those. And a new model alert. Xperia Motors Series. The Quick Chat. This is designed by Hot Wheels designer Brian Zhao, and it is based off of the old Mattel phone. Fisher Price, right? Fisher Price phone. That is awesome. It's even got a off-white paint to it, so it kind of has like a more of an antique-y kind of look to it. But very nice. That is a beautifully designed car. Captures the essence of the original, all while looking like an actual car. Cool to see that. That was in Toy Story too, wasn't it? All right. Another one on the 70 Plymouth Superbirds in red, HW Art Cars series. Another one of the Batmobiles, Arkham Asylum Batmobile. And the Tesla Cyber Quad gets recolored in, well, kind of recolored, I guess, in gold. Just that little bit in the front there. I think everything else, it might be black now. I think there used to be more silver in here on the first release. HW Dirt series. All right. Next three out of the case. Ooh, this one I'm excited for. The Porsche 904 Carrera GTS HW Race Day series. All black. Oh, that is a great looking car. Yeah. All black. I love those wheels on this too. Yeah, that looks nice. Definitely a highlight of this case for sure. All right, I got another 90 Honda Civic EF in lime green. The Slide Burn. Oh yeah, we got one of these in the last case. It was in the K case, the Metal Flake Olive. Still a great recolor. I like this essence of the Redline era there. All right, next three out of the case. Oh, we got a new model kind of home run here. The next three. So we had the Quick Chat already, and then the remaining three new models are right here in the top half of the case. The Lotus Cortina Compact Kings. Speaking of that kind of off-white color that we saw in the Quick Chat, I think this might be the same color in the Lotus Cortina. Very kind of definitely an off-white here. Very cool vintage deco. And I remember there was the Lamley preview, I think, was talking about this, how they were able to work the deco into the back end and give it like a really cool color break that goes all the way from the front to the back. Yeah, that is pretty cool. And next one, we have the Mod Mill Muscle Mania series. New casting. And yeah, so I think this is something we'll see going forward based on what I've been seeing in upcoming releases here. We'll see kind of mashups of Hot Wheels Originals castings. This one obviously being a mashup between the Mod Rod. You can see the cab and the back end of the Mod Rod with the twin mill. So you get the engine from the Mod Rod with the engine of one of the engines of the twin mill. So very cool, interesting design. Kind of cool to see a mashup. Not sure. I don't know. We see mashups all the time, right? In pop culture and stuff. So why not? Makes sense from a Hot Wheels standpoint. Becomes a whole new car. And then we have the Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione Race Day series. Or if you're French Canadian, it's Jour de Corset. I butchered that, and I am sorry. All right. Wow. So the great deco on this Ferrari, all red. Cool that all the Ferraris appeared in red. I get number 64 on the sides. I assume that's for the year. And then the top striping. I love how the lights are worked into the window piece to kind of gives that one a nice color break as well. Should see some cool decos with that going forward. All right, so that's the top half of the case. Let's dive into the bottom half of the case and see what kind of treasures are in the bottom half of the case here. Hopefully something good. All right. Next 3 out of the case. Wow, all red. Okay, so we got another Ferrari F40 Competizione. So another Ferrari there. The Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super Compact King Series. So that in the K case is a new model. And another one of those Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competiziones. So another one of those right away. So that's good to see. Trying to get some out of the top half of the case here. Come on out. All right, next 3 out of the case. We've seen the Monte Racer before, X-Racer Series, the Ravager ST, and Muscle Mania. And we get one of those VW T3 Customs from the Peak Pursuit Series. We saw all these in the K case as well. Next 3 out of the case. We got the McLaren Speedtail HW Exotic Series. That was the Super, well, that was a Super in the last case. I did not get that. The 94 Bugatti EB110 SS, that is the Super in this case. Unfortunately, this is not the Super. This is the common variant of that. But there it is in like a pink or purple pearl, right? This is that purple pearl color that it always kind of looks so good on like so many cars. And it kind of looks different every time, I swear. In the HW Race Day series. Interesting, we have, in the same case, we have HW Race Day, and then we have, it just says Race Day. Both the same series, but totally just different way how it's written on the cards. Just noticing that with you here. All right, another one of the Land Rover Defender 90s. Casting I collect. Always good to see that one appear in the Hot Wheels lineup. Next 3 out of the case. We got the Flippin' Fast. Again, always sounds like I'm swearing every time I say the Flippin' Fast. The Pontiac Aztec Custom. That mint green with the intentional rear wheel that is blacked out. If you know the reference, throw it in the comments below. And the Porsche 911 GT3 RS in pink. That is a nice version of the Porsche. Yeah, pink. Pink and then gold and black deco, which is interesting. So that is new to the case. Next 3 out of the case. We got the Blitz Speeder. The Blitz Speeder is back in green. That's new to the case. Haven't seen that yet. The Hako Type D HWJ Import Series in red. I think this is the first time we've seen that, right? In red, recolor. That might have been a K case. And the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Another one of those. Next 3 out of the case. All right, so we got another quick chat. Xperia Motors Series. The Cruise Bruiser. I feel like this is the 3rd case we've seen this in a row as well. The HW Reverse Rake Series in yellow. Love that casting. I don't think I like getting it 3 cases in a row, but to each their own. The Mod Mill Muscle Mania Series. Another one of those. So I think we saw the new models ×2 already in here. We got another one of the Crescendos in the X-Racer Series. The Slideburn HW Dream Garage. Another one of those. And the Compact Kings Mazda RX-3 tuned in black Mad Mike Deco. Saw that in the last case as well. All right, what do we get? Getting down here, getting down to the bottom. We got the 75 Chevy Blazer Custom, now in white. We saw that earlier in the year in black. Kind of a new in the mainline for this year. Started off in premium. Another one of the Little Roars, Safari mode. And the Audi 90 Quattro in silver. This is a nice version of the Audi. Front detail, nothing in the back, but just a nice kind of, I don't know if it's based off a real racing deco or not, but it is nice. Kind of just nicely laid out. All right, next 3 out of the case. We got another one of the Pontiac Aztec Customs. The Speed Driver, everybody's favorite handy tool. And the McLaren Speedtail, another one of those. Next 3 out of the case. The Gotta Go. Gotta Go is back in a different... It was black earlier in the year, right? Black with an orange seat, if I remember correctly. Now we're seeing this Vitebsk Hot Sauce version in red with a yellow seat. Again, another casting I collect. Should get these out sometime and show you all those. Quite a few have been released since the beginning. Another one of the VW T3 Customs. And the Ford Escort... I was going to say Rally. It's not on the cast. I call it the Ford Escort Rally. Very nice. And kind of a interesting purple pearl of orange. Interesting. All right. I think I say interesting a lot. All right. Audi 90 Quattro, another one of those. The Futurismo. We saw that in the last case. And another Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile in this case. So that makes 3 of those in this case. I think the rule is in place, right? Every 3 Batmobiles for every case. I think that is definitely a rule. All right, last 3 out of the case of the 69 Dodge Coronet Super B, the Lotus Cortina, and the Pterotractyl. So that keeps the superless streak alive. No super, not even a regular in this case, which is pretty crazy. I don't think I've gotten a regular from the last couple of cases either. So luck is not on my side, but that is okay because we got some awesome new Hot Wheels here. Definitely a few castings I collect, like the Gotta Go. Love that. Love that we're getting 2 of each of the new models, which is really nice. I have a friend that usually takes my other set of new models that I get in these cases. So I always glad to ship those back to him when he needs them. So and then the Mod Mill, yeah. Mod Mill. Again, superless Bugatti. So, and what was the other? Oh, that was the Lotus Cortina was the other one, along with the Quick Chat. I think I threw the others in the pile there. But those are the 4 new models. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Obviously, let's talk. Kind of a good case. I mean, obviously, I'm disappointed in not getting everything that comes in the case, but in terms of like new models, you get 4 new models, which is pretty awesome. You get some really cool releases too, and some real cool castings that are going to stay in my collection. Obviously, like the Porsche. This is just a nice release of it, done like just great deco. I love this version of the King Cuda, which is very nice. And obviously, I'm a huge Viper collector, so this is exciting to get. Got one of those. I wonder if we'll see this in blue with white stripes, or the newer casting, the 96 Viper GTS in white with blue stripes. So not sure if we'll see either of these, or if it's just intended to be reversed out like that. And then yeah, great release of the Buick, all black. I like this better than the first release. So yeah, some great releases in this case. Obviously, again, let's talk in the comments. Let me know what you think. What are you going to be after in this L case? How would you rate the case? Let me know. We'll talk there. Thanks again for watching.